Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have misplaced your remote or your batteries have stopped working, you might be wondering where the physical power button is located on your Toshiba Smart TV. Depending on the model, the button may be hidden in different places and can sometimes be difficult to spot at first glance. Fortunately, most Toshiba Smart TV models include a built-in power button that allows you to turn the television on and off without using the remote. In this video, I'll walk you through several easy places to check so you can quickly locate the power button on your Toshiba Smart TV. Try these. Step 1. Look beneath the center of the Toshiba Smart TV frame for a hidden power button. Step 2. Check the lower right side of the Toshiba Smart TV if the button is not visible underneath. Step 3. Feel along the bottom edge of the Toshiba Smart TV for a small control switch. Step 4. Examine the back panel of the Toshiba Smart TV near the right hand side. Step 5. Press the button you find on the Toshiba Smart TV to verify that it controls power. Step 6. Confirm that the Toshiba Smart TV turns on properly and note the button location for future use.